What's up, guys? Back with another vlog. I am doing side skirts on my car. These are kind of homemade. My friend John E90, I'll have his Instagram somewhere right here. He actually homemade these. So I was gonna do that too, but then I found some on Amazon for like 20 bucks. So I just said, get it. These are what I got. So they're like alright, they're universal, like I just kind of bolt on. I'll show you the new ones. They're side skirt extensions, so they're gonna poke out a little bit. And they also got the fin that I like in the back. So I think these side skirt extensions will look really good on the car because I have the aluminum splitter I made, plus the diffuser. Fix it up a little bit. It's not poking out anymore. It's just normal how it should be. Looks really good. So yeah, we're gonna put these on. This has been long overdue. I've been wanting to put these on for a long time, ever since he gave me them. So always doing something to my car. If I'm not hanging out with my girlfriend or friends, or I'm at work and working on cars. So literally always working on cars. So let's go ahead, pull this car in the garage, get it jacked up so I can see everything underneath, and probably just drill through this. I might have to cut it a little bit smaller. It's for an E90, so the next year up of BMW 3 Series. But let's go get it done. Alright, car's in the garage right now, looking dirty actually. So I'm pretty sure this is just like an already cut sheet like this of aluminum. It's got kind of a bed right there. He basically just got a piece that's cut out, like squared tubing, and just drilled through it. I mean, it's not the nicest thing, but it's homemade, so whatever. The car is officially floating on jack stands. So I realize I'm probably gonna have to cut like little squares into the side skirts for the jacking points. So, because you don't want to have this be in the way of your jack point, and then you're gonna jack it up, bend the whole thing. It's gonna be bad. So, but before that, gotta take off the old ones because these are probably going bye-bye, or you know, if someone wants them. I might put them on the e46, but I don't know. So let's take this off. It's only held in by like, I think like two screws. This is what the new side skirt will look like. And yeah, we're gonna have to cut a lot off. So here's how it's gonna sit, more or less. We're gonna have to cut right there because of the jack point, and right here because it's too long. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna need to cut out so that the jack point is still like visible. So I don't know how I forgot to mention, or I just forgot to mark the second jack point. That's in the very rear, because there's no jack stand on it, so I didn't even look at it. But so mark that out. So there should be 2 cuts in the middle. Goggle earmuffs, 2 in 1. Alright, so got the cutouts, and I realized the only thing keeping this aluminum straight is this bend right here of like thick metal. So otherwise, look at this, it's just floppy. So I'm just gonna bend it down, hammer it in like this. This is all gonna be under the car, so it doesn't really matter chipping the paint. I think he painted it with just like with regular spray paint before, so whatever. We're gonna do that all the way through, so on the side skirt it doesn't like hang all weird. Alright, ran into a little problem. I don't have any that will that are super small like this. So I basically only have, see, 2 on there, 2 on the other side. So I only have 5. I'm probably gonna need like 10 on each side. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot. I'm gonna take the e46. Kind of nice because I don't have to drop this car all the way. I can just take the other car and make a quick ride to Home Depot. See this girl start up. Whoa. Drift car problems. Gotta unplug the battery every single time I get out. Whatever. It's a lifestyle. Just got back from Home Depot. I got 4 packs of these, which should be enough for both sides. Just finished. Let me lower the car and show you guys how it looks. Alright, the car's all lowered. Ooh. Super bendable, so I got that little angle, kind of like leaning more to the left a little bit. So it's flush with this angle right here, and clean. Fitment is clean. So that's the end of the video. Just a little update on the e46. If you guys like it, follow my Instagram, have it right here, and follow the build. Subscribe, like, comment, and yep, we're out.